Congratulations! You are ready to start using Synappx Meeting. To install the app on your PC, navigate to the Microsoft Store and sign in to your account. Enter Synappx Meeting into the search bar. Select the app in the search results. Select the Get button. Synappx Meeting will begin downloading. Then, select Launch. When the Synappx window launches, enter your Office 365 email address. The Synappx Meeting Launcher will open. By syncing with Office 365, Synappx Meeting automatically lists your scheduled meetings for the day. The time, organizer, title, and location of each meeting are displayed. When you select a specific workspace, your scheduled meetings within the workspace are displayed. Select the Detail button to view a full list of meeting attendees and attached files. You can also select Description to view additional meeting information provided by the organizer. Before launching your first Synappx-enabled meeting, please check the following. The scheduled meeting appears in your Outlook calendar. Your PC has Mira Op installed and is connected to the correct network. You can start a meeting by double-tapping the meeting or by selecting the meeting and then selecting Start. When you start a scheduled meeting, the following actions occur automatically. The Synappx Meeting Assistant opens and the meeting timer begins counting down. Mira Op launches and the web conference starts. Shortcuts to frequently used apps and websites are available below the timer. Files attached to the meeting invite can be accessed on the Meeting Assistant as well. You can also view recent documents from available cloud services. End the meeting with one click to disconnect all technologies. Now, the next team can start their meeting promptly. Synappx Meeting is also great for coordinating ad hoc meetings. Even without a scheduled meeting, you can use Synappx Meeting to book workspaces, access recent cloud storage documents, mirror a laptop screen on a large display, and view the Synappx Meeting timer to manage time effectively. Start an ad hoc meeting by selecting Meet Now. A dialog box will open, prompting you to choose a workspace. Or you can select a workspace from the drop-down menu. Then select Meet Now. The meeting will start, and the workspace calendar will be booked for 60 minutes. The Synappx Meeting Assistant is a powerful tool disguised as a simple pop-up window. A blue check indicates the meeting organizer or presenter. Selecting the casting button allows attendees to switch control of the meeting and become presenters. These icons indicate how much control is given to a new presenter depending on the meeting room technology. This facilitates active collaboration with a single click. The meeting timer can help you track a meeting's allotted time, control discussions, and conclude meetings as scheduled. Once a meeting starts, the scheduled time progresses downward. When it gets closer to the scheduled ending time, the meeting timer changes to orange. If the meeting goes over time, the timer changes to red. You can extend the length of meetings by selecting the Add Time option. The Synappx Meeting Assistant will extend the meeting time by 30 minutes. You will receive a notification if the workspace is not available. Synappx Meetings settings can be modified from within the Meeting Assistant and the Meeting Launcher. The Settings menu opens with the Options tab. Here you can configure Synappx Meeting to launch when you start your PC. You can also allow Mira Op to automatically cast to Synappx-enabled displays when you select Start Meeting. Enabling the last two options will prompt Synappx Meeting to update your Outlook calendar if a meeting ends ahead of schedule or goes over the allotted time. Customizing these options can help better integrate Synappx Meeting into your existing workflow. The Shortcuts tab is where you configure the shortcuts that appear on the Meeting Assistant. To set up a shortcut, select the plus icon. Select the type of shortcut, either a file, application, folder or URL. Type a name for your shortcut. Enter the URL or file path. Select the ellipse icon to upload an image as an icon. Finally, select Add. The shortcut will appear on the Meeting Assistant the next time you launch it. Next is the Voice Setting tab. This is where you enable hands-free voice operation with Amazon Alexa. The Cloud Storage tab is where you can activate your preferred cloud services. Once activated, the options will appear in the drop-down menu within the Meeting Assistant. The last section of the Settings menu is the About tab. For more detailed instructions, visit the Synappx support site by selecting Help. With Synappx Meeting, everything you need to conduct a productive meeting is right at your fingertips.